Alright, so here I am underneath Hazel after the fiasco of the AC having the wrong vibrator cord delivered. Down here checking our fuel tank situation because Tom has a leak, and it's only when you fill it. Not just, that's obviously part of your problem, is this filler neck hose being so dry rotted it might not even survive coming out of the car. Also, at some point, somebody welded this up, and it's definitely wet around that weld. So I'll find Tom a tank. I'm not going to recommend repairing this, especially if I can find one for a lot less. So while I'm under here pulling the fuel tank, I notice on the back of the right rear tire, schmutz and a puddle. I think we got a leaking wheel cylinder. That's not good. We'll get that checked out. Fun.